What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now, I told y'all, I don't know if it's the last video or video before last. I think it's been about a week before I recorded something, you know what I'm saying? That now that I finally got the interior of my car cleaned out with all them boxes, all the stuff for my Cutlass, I told y'all I wanted to go ahead and actually clean the interior, you feel me? So that's what we're gonna be doing in this video. Now I have a few products we're gonna be using. Got some window cleaner so I can clean my interior glass, the inside of the glass. I got some mean green and I got some all-purpose Pledge multi-surface cleaner. So we're gonna be wiping down just about everything in here, you feel me, from my center console to the door panel. Try to get as much dirt and stuff out of here, to the dash, which is dusty. And then after we wipe everything down, I'm gonna go on to the, I can vacuum here, but I ain't feel like running a cord all the way to the car, you feel me? So we're just gonna go to a car wash and use their vacuum, and we're gonna vacuum out the floors. I've been thinking about just throwing away these carpets, but I'm probably gonna wait to throw them away until I go ahead and order another set, you know what I'm saying, of, I think they're like carpet protectors, you feel me? That's basically what they do. They protect your OEM carpet, you feel me? So yeah, we're gonna clean everything in here though. We're gonna wipe everything down. We're gonna try to get the floor parts, panels down there as well. Like I said, my seats and everything. But I'm not gonna wipe the seats down because I don't want that stuff to stick on the seats. But I'm definitely gonna have to go to the store and get some of that spray that I have in my box Chevy, so I can spray down in the car to make it smell a little better, you feel me? So yeah, man, like I said, man, this video, we're gonna be cleaning up my daily. I need to clean this car. I've been needing to clean this car really since I started working on that Cutlass, you know. Since I started working on that Cutlass, I'd ordered a lot of parts and everything, just been sitting in here, and I finally just went ahead and took it out, you feel me? Got permission to put it in the crib. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video though. We're gonna, like I said, ain't nothing really gonna be just cleaning the car. Then probably next weekend we're gonna go ahead and wash the outside of this car and wash the outside of my box Chevy. Y'all know I got a pressure washer and I finally got it to work, so we're gonna be doing that. And I still need to finish them wheels, the 20s spoke wheels. I haven't went and got no paint remover yet, and I've already found the paint remover I'm gonna get. Like I said, I've been watching a lot of videos and stuff, so I've already figured that out. I just haven't went and want to get it yet, you know. So hope y'all enjoyed this video though. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell all the way. Y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this videos, keep growing and elevating together, and I'll catch y'all in a second once we get ready to start cleaning. Alright y'all, I went ahead and let down, y'all can see all my windows so I can get some air circulating in here. But the first area we're gonna clean is right here. Y'all, like I said, y'all see how dusty it is, how dirty it is. We're gonna go ahead and clean this area, and we're gonna go basically from here, go up, get into the dash, and you feel me, just keep working it like that. Now everything in here is trash. I will be throwing away once we get to the area to vacuum, you feel me, because they got trash cans outside. I'm gonna dump all of this in here in the trash, you know. So yeah, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Let me go ahead and just ease down here so I can still grab them and it won't be in y'all way. Oh, y'all look a little crooked. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and get the cleaner. Use this. First, I'm gonna actually use some mean green because some of this stuff is like caked on, you know what I'm saying? Use some mean green, then we'll use the multi-surface cleaner. This car needs this deep clean too, y'all. So y'all know we did this for the box Chevy. It was definitely time for me to go ahead and do my charger, you feel me, my daily driver, the car I'm in every day. Much needed, bro, I'm telling you. And today's supposed to be 95 degrees, bro. That's the only thing I hate about the summer, is it'll get too hot. But I'd rather work in the hot and sweat than freeze in the cold trying to work, you know. I'm making sure I'm getting all these crevices too, just because I want this car really clean. Goodness. Already looking 1,000 times better. Let's go ahead and get inside this little pocket. Already look 1,000 times better, bro. Telling y'all, man, this mean green makes wonders, bro. It definitely works wonders. Wiping down the EQ. Alright, got that wiped down. Now let's start doing the center console area, center console armrest actually, and then we're gonna move up to where the radio is. This car was filthy, bro. Definitely need this. Alright, let's move on up to the radio. Alright, I'm just gonna do this for record y'all for a couple minutes. Then I'm gonna work off camera, and then I'll probably meet y'all once we get to the car wash. And then once we get to the car wash, I'm gonna vacuum and then show y'all just a little bit of vacuuming. Then we're gonna wrap this video up, you know what I'm saying? And this radio bezel, if y'all got chargers to them, was wondering where I got this radio bezel from. I bought this when I was back in high school. So, well, actually when I first bought this car, I went ahead and bought this because it didn't have a radio in here. And I knew I was gonna put an aftermarket radio anyways. So I got that from Amazon. I think it was like, honestly, I don't even remember. It had to be like 7 years ago. But I know it was when I first bought this car though. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all this area. Look at that, 1,000 times better, bro, already. And then my radio area, I still got the sticker on that radio because, you feel me, I just never took it off. I don't know why, I just never have. And then got up here as well. Center console. I got to get another air vent because that one is broke, as y'all see. I gotta get another air vent. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up in here. Then I will most likely catch y'all once I'm at the car wash so we can go ahead and vacuum out the car, and then we should be done from there. So let me go ahead and finish working. I gotta get the door panels, try to get them as good as I can. Both, well, all of them, all 4 of the door panels. So I'm gonna keep pushing, and I will catch y'all when I'm at the car wash. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So I'm figuring to head to the car wash now. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, some of these things are gonna take a lot more than elbow grease, but If y'all look and see, bro, look how clean we are now. You gotta have your Bible in your car. You know what I'm saying? Got to. Look how clean we are though. Got the dash. No more dust and dirt. Got that off best as possible. Come to this side, same way. Come to the back, same way. No difference, bro. You feel me? And come to this back, same way. You know what I'm saying? We got it best as I could. So yeah, man, like I said, I'm finna get ready to head to the car wash now. We're gonna vacuum up the car, make it look better. You know what I'm saying? Just make it look better, that's all. So, and throw away a lot of this trash. Like I got some papers in this center console I need to go ahead and get rid of. You know, you're usually supposed to keep your receipt for the 30 days that you bought the product, just in case you ever want to take it back. So yeah, that's all that is receipts. So I'm finna get ready to throw all them away, because I ain't returning nothing no more. You feel me? I ain't no need of me returning nothing. For one, it's been a little bit longer than the 30 days. So I'm finna go ahead and throw all that trash out, and whatever else is back there, you know what I'm saying, and I need to throw away. So let's go ahead and clean up the rest of the car and finish this video out. Catch y'all once I get to the car wash. All right, y'all, so I'm here now, and we're gonna go ahead and finish vacuuming. I've already done the back, the entire back, you know what I'm saying, the seats and the floor. So now we're gonna go ahead and do this front floor, and I'm gonna finish pulling this out as well, because I'm not using this no more. So I gotta finish pulling this all the way through. But yeah, y'all see the before. And I'm just gonna do a couple minutes showing y'all this, and I'm gonna finish it up off camera if I need to. So let's go ahead and try and see what we can get done. Get y'all here. Like, oops, hold on. Try and get y'all right. All right. So I'm gonna pull this out, and I'm gonna vacuum this one outside. Shake it off. Do that outside. And see how far we can get done. I'm gonna try and get some of this off. Already looks a lot better. Trash. Look at that. Nice and clean now. That's, I don't know what that is. It won't come off. But nice and clean now. So I gotta go ahead and do this. And get both of them. So yeah. Let me finish up. Then when I get back home, I'm gonna show y'all the end result. I gotta do that side as well. You feel me? And then the seats, both seats. And then I'm done, you know? And I'm gonna pull this wire through, like I said, because I don't need it with this right here. And I had them hidden really good, so yeah, damn. So let me finish this up like I said, and I'm gonna come back to y'all when I get to the crib, show y'all the end result, and close this video out, so stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I am now finished. If y'all take a look, I even wiped off the floor mats, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, they super clean. Everything is super clean now. The whole interior, you feel me? Wiped everything down. Even the dash, the front windshield, everything, you feel me? Everything in here is now clean, you know what I'm saying? And I feel more comfortable driving this car. You know, I hate driving the car when it was really dirty, especially when it was really packed. But now it ain't none of that no more, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. We cleaned up the daily, you feel me? The Charger, my baby, my first car ever, the first car I ever bought, first car I ever owned, you feel me? Just my first car in general, point blank period, you know what I'm saying? We done cleaned this car up. I even cleaned up in here with my cluster, you know what I'm saying? Cleaned up the steering wheel, wiped everything down. And just one more time, because y'all know this is the main area that's touched non-stop, you feel me? So definitely want to make sure this one stay clean, because I be touching this when my hands are dirty, when I finish working on cars, before I'm able to go wash my hands, like somebody call me. This is the main area of my car, you know what I'm saying? And got to be cleaned. So now I gotta get all these cleaning supplies out of here. Got a few more videos I want to record, but if y'all look back here, the carpet is cleaned. I got my tools back down, but I literally took everything out while I was at that car wash. All these tools, sat them on the ground, washed them. Washed the seat. Then before I threw them back in, where they were sitting on the ground, I wiped that area, you feel me, where the toolboxes and stuff was sitting on the ground. Really, the only one that was sitting on the ground was this one, and I just stacked everything up on top of that. But I still wiped it all down so it don't track dirt back up here, in here, you feel me? So, like I said, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I enjoyed it, you feel me? I got to clean up my car, and I'm glad I did it. Now I'm finna go ahead. I got this little scent right here, so I'm gonna sit this in the cup holder, and you feel me, just let the car smell good. So you feel me, it don't have no type of other smell in here but that. And then I'm gonna get one of them little air fresheners to put up here as well. And like I said, I'm gonna get the spray too, so I can spray in here and then have me a spray staying in here. So yeah, like I said, I moved up the seats and everything, which I can go ahead show y'all real quick. I pulled the seats up while I was cleaning, that way I can get under the seats and everything, you know, so it wouldn't just be the areas you see, it be areas you don't see as well. Pull that seat up. The only thing I didn't wipe off was this air duct, but if y'all look and see, we got up under the seats as well. And I need to clean these rails too. They dusty from the car being almost 20 years old now. But you feel me, like I said, I moved everything, moved the jack, which that's the only tool on that side, but these are my power tools right here. I gotta get this out of here, gotta give it back to my pops, which is, it's like a puller. That's the only thing I'm giving back to him though. He ain't getting nothing else back. The rest of this stuff I'm keeping for myself. And like I told y'all, I wiped down the door panels too. So next step now is to wash the car, you know? And that's, like I said, that's what we're gonna be doing next weekend, because this weekend I got about 3 more videos I want to go ahead and record, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna record 3 more videos. I wanted to drive a box Chevy today, but I don't think I'm gonna have time, because my family talking about doing some family event today, so I don't think I'm gonna have time to drive my box Chevy and then bring it back, you know what I'm saying? So because I don't want to leave it where I sleep at. I don't want it to stay there at night and it be out in the open, you know? So yeah, I'm most likely not gonna drive it today. I don't know if I'm dropping it off next week to get the motor done, or maybe the week after, but y'all stay tuned for that video as well. So yeah, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to auto where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share these videos, keep growing and elevating together. I love y'all, appreciate y'all, keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.